It's roofing day on this edition of Forever Home. We're here working on this beautiful Landenberg home. Let's take you up and show you what's going on in the roof. Here we go. So of course everything starts with roofing with preparation. We make sure we get our netting set up, we got our drop cloths down to catch any debris that comes off the roof as we're doing things. We try to put as much as we can straight into the bucky whenever possible, and just part of helping make sure that when we're done, your yard's as clean as it was when we found it, or at least pretty close. Let's head up on the roof. So up here on the garage roof, not a whole lot special going on over on this side of the house. We've got this side stripped off in the front. That's down into the trash buggy and across the front, and we've worked very carefully to preserve the step flashing, which was underneath of the cement board siding type product that's in here. And we want to make sure that when we put the new stuff back, that all that step flashing works continuous to help make sure that we don't have any leaks where the roof and the wall interface meet. It's very, very critical. And then over here on the back side, you can see things already starting to go together. We've got a run of ice and water shield up this edge, of course, ice and water shield across the bottom, and then our new shingle starting to go up there, and our synthetic underlayment from here on up. So this side of the roof well underway, getting things rocking and rolling, started everything nice and straight how we like it. Let's set up on the main roof, see what's going on up there. Make sure whenever we're doing roofing, we always cover over the air conditioner's outside condenser unit. You don't want any nails to fall in there, have anything happen. If in your summertime, we usually encourage customers to disable that, turn that off, but at least covering it with an open mesh netting so that it can breathe. If it does come on, that's always a great way to do it. I don't want to see these covered in a solid drop cloth or a tarp, because that's going to starve that for the cool air that it needs to cool the unit. It could overheat, cause damage. Not a good thing. If you're going to cover these, please cover them with mesh netting, and definitely a good thing to do that before you start dropping debris off the roof. So up here on the main roof, beautiful view of the backyard. We've got our, again, synthetic underlayment laid down with those Stinger zip caps, ice and water shield down the bottom, and the places where it needs to be, new drip cap up the sides here. And we've started running the new layers of shingles across, and of course, the new pipe collars. And then we're done, we'll install the sacrificial boots on top of those. We have other videos about that. We can link to those down in the description. So getting started on the back of the roof here, and then up here on the front, same thing. You can see we've already made some significant progress starting to work things across. You can see the ice and water shield down there at the bottom, and gonna bring this back up, and then of course ridge vent on the top, and we want to check and make sure that the soffits are open, and we've got good air ventilation through the attic. So all those different pieces work in conjunction to help make sure that your roof lasts a good long time. So this roof is getting an Oxford gray color shingle from 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, their heritage line. And then these are our starters that you use down across the bottom, so you can nail these in and they get nice, good tar adhesion down at the bottom. Love using starter strips, just makes things fast and easy. So that's what's going on here in Landenberg today. If there's something, problem we can solve for you, take a picture to it, send it to us right here on our Facebook page. Click that contact us button there. At the top, nothing our team doesn't do: roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, kitchens, bathrooms, basements, plumbing, electrical, drywall, spackle, paint. Build your custom dream home addition, a garage. Give us a call. We have a dedicated office staff standing by to answer those calls and return your Facebook messages weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, your full service construction and renovation company, and extension 2 for new projects. If you got any questions about the roofing project or what you saw in this video, please leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to answer those for you and try to get back to you on those, as well as whatever other home improvement questions you have when it comes to maintaining and protecting your forever home. We love those comments. We love those likes. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you get updated about all our great content, where we help you know what goes into a quality home improvement repair process, and so that you can begin to ask the right questions of the different contractors you're interviewing for work on your home, so you can separate those who know what they're doing from those who are just there to take your money. Remember, at 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, we're here to guide you on the entire journey from start to finish through the home renovation process, and to take the fear out of that process and giving you the peace of mind that you know that your forever home is being protected and taken care of. Remember, we're finished with it. You'll be proud to say it's not just done. It was 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 built. We'll catch you in the next edition of Forever Home. Bye for now.